Clothing can really make you feel your best. Or sometimes even your worst. Good thing there are clothing hacks to help you be the best dressed in any situation. Oh, excuse me. I need the makeup table. Just need some powder. These earrings will help. Can't forget the brows. Hair is looking good. Ooh, I love this perfume. This cardigan will do. Alright, I've got my purse. Oh no, it has a tear on the bottom! My sweater has a tear in the shoulder! What are we gonna do? Betty, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Ah! We have mice! Get out of here, you rodent! Get it, Bella! I hate mice! Phew, it's gone. Thank goodness. But our stuff is still ruined. Wait a second. Let me see your bag. I think I have a solution. Alright, sweater. I'm gonna have to cut you up. Sorry about this, but I need to cut you right below the sleeve. All the way across, just like I wanted. I'll fold this edge down and bring out the glue gun. I'll just put a line of glue from one side to the other. And now to press these together so they seal nice and tight. Okay, now I need the damaged purse. Look at that! The sweater fits perfectly around the bag. I'll just do a little adjusting right here, with some more glue on the bag. So the sweater will stay in place instead of falling off. There we go. Perfect! Look, Bella! The sweater fixed the bag! Wow! That's spectacular! It looks so good! It's so cute! I love it! Thanks, Betty. Yeah. That's mine. It's my purse. Yeah, but I fixed it with my sweater! Give it back! Time to head out for the evening. Ooh, it's breezy and cold out. I don't think I'm dressed right for this weather. Whew, that was brisk out there. This scarf should solve the problem. Shoot, I wrapped it bad. I'll do it again. No, not like that either. Ugh, none of these are working. What am I gonna do? Hey, Betty. Why are you so down? Because of your scarf? Give it to me. Oh, Betty. I can help you with this problem. Okay, I'll wrap it around your neck, then pull one side longer than the other. Then I'll twist it twice and wrap the long end around your neck. Now you can just tuck the end in like this. Oh, it's so cute and stylish! Thank you so much, Bella! Now I'm much better prepared for the weather. Ugh! How do I prepare for flying newspaper? Luckily no one saw. Time to get some cleaning done around here. But it's hard work, that's for sure. Oh, a text. I'd better see what it says. Eee! Brian's inviting me to the party! Oh, wait. I look terrible. Like Cinderella when she scrubbed the fireplace. I can't go like this. I definitely can't let Brian see me like this. I wish I had a fairy godmother who could turn me into a princess. Or at the very least make me look pretty. Ooh, that was a bumpy flight. Fairy godmother here. Oh, what happened to you? I'm supposed to go to the party with Brian, but I look all dirty and gross. That is indeed a problem. I can help. Stand up. Okay, but please don't bring any mice into the house, even if they can sew. Step 1. Let's get rid of those gloves. Let's see, what else? Ah yes, your hair! Ooh, this is already so much better! We need clothes, but you said no mice. Oh, oops! I said no mice, you dumb wand! No mice! What just happened? And why am I craving cheese? Oh, don't worry about that. Let's try this. this isn't really my style. The mice are usually the ones with the fashion sense. Come on, you darn wand. Don't fail me now! The wand is out of magic. I used too much changing you back. I'm sorry, changing me what now? Don't worry. I can fix this. I'll just unbutton these down here and tuck the end in up here. Now this end can wrap around and we can tie it tight. There. All better. What do you think? I think you're the best fairy godmother ever! Oh, you're welcome, dear. Now have a good time at the party. Betty! Wait! I can't get home without magic. I guess I'm staying here for a while. Gotta make sure to fold all my clothing now that it's clean. Don't want them getting wrinkled. I don't want to look sloppy on a date. Where did this come from? Oh, Brian. You're so funny. Thanks. Have a Coke. Oh, Brian. You're so good at reading books. Sorry, babe. It's just the way it needs to be. I've gotta spread my wings. It's not fair! Ugh. Stupid Brian breaking up with me. I hate this shirt. So, time to cut it up. Every cut of the scissors is like a cut he left on my heart. That jerk, always wearing collars. Well, now I'm cutting around it. I'll just get rid of these sleeves and collar like he got rid of me. And I'll gather and stitch the bottom of this the way I repaired my heart. Can't forget to use this part of the shirt too. Alright, next step, safety pins. I'll just pin these two pieces together. All the way down from one end to the other. Huh, this turned out pretty good. I took his dumb shirt and turned it into a cute dress. Wow, I'm really impressed with myself. I don't need dumb old Brian when I've got talented and smart me. Oh, who's texting me? Oopsie. Alright, Betty and Bella are gonna rock the town tonight. Wait, why aren't you dressed? I don't have anything to wear. Bella, listen. I can fix this. Stay right there. Okay, get on your feet. No more slouching. Let's try this on you. Oh, Betty, this is so cute! Purple is definitely my color. Ugh, but these dumb bra straps are showing. You know what, Betty? I think I've got an idea. See ya later, bra. I don't need you. Oops, maybe I do. You know what? That gives me an idea. This sports bra is the solution. A sports bra? No way! That's not stylish! Bella, you're being so difficult. Okay, fine. Look, the pads come out of the bra. Now we can put these to work for us. Do you get it now? Oh, I do get it! I'll just slide them in. Perfect! No bra straps and I'm covered. Looking good! We're gonna have a great time tonight. Ooh, letting the hair down. Nice choice. These tarts are gonna be great! Betty, I got you a present! Oh, thank you, Bella! Ah, look, it's so pretty! I love it! I'm gonna try it on right now. Oh, it's a little big on me. Thanks anyway, though. It was a thoughtful gift. I wish there was some way I could make it fit. Hey, wait a second. What if I can? Bella, look! I have safety pins and a cord. With these two things, I can make this work. Just need the dress inside out and backwards. Alright, safety pin. Time to do your job. I'll pull the dress tighter so it fits better and pin it in place. Gotta make sure I do it on both sides of the seam. Now it's time to slip the cord through the pins. In one end and out the other. Just like that. Now I've just gotta pull it tight. Okay, time to flip it around again. Yes! It worked! It fits like a glove now! Wow, Betty! How did you do that? It looks so beautiful on you! Nothing is as beautiful as our friendship. Tell us in the comments about any clothing hacks you've pulled off. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!